Okay, this video demo will focus on how to create custom links in your local navigation bar that I'm hovering over in Canvas. So I'm going to focus on how to create a link for a virtual office, which provides some information on how to access my Zoom room and my office hours for students. So the first thing I'm going to do is actually just go and grab that page and just make sure I have it up and ready. So my virtual office page is here in my unit 0. I'm just going to leave that in another tab for now while I go back and click on the settings link. So once I'm in my course settings, the next thing I'll do is go over to the apps tab here at the top, click on that. We're going to find the tool that we need under the installed category. So go ahead and click installed. And we're looking for the redirect tool. So the redirect tool doesn't have a text name represented here. It's just the arrow icon. If you hover over it, it says redirect tool, but this is what we're looking for. So go ahead and click on the redirect tool. Now that we're in this tool, we can go ahead and click add app. Now we have a couple of options. So the first option is to change the name. I'm going to change it to Virtual Office. The next option is the URL redirect. So this is the URL that you would like to use, or the piece of content you would like to link to. I'm going to grab that by going over to my virtual office and highlighting the URL or the web address from the top. I'll right click, I'll select copy. Now that I have that on my clipboard, I can go here and I'll just paste that URL. I replaced the existing HTTPS because that was included in what I pasted. You may or may not do that depending on how you grab web addresses. Now we need to think about the radio buttons here and the options that are available. So I'm not going to use the force open a new tab. This means that if someone clicks that link, it will open a new tab automatically in their browser. I just like to stay on the same page or same tab. And then I'm going to select show in course navigation. Now show in account navigation and show in user navigation are actually disabled, so they won't have any effect if you use those options. So the only option you really can use is show in course navigation. Next thing I'll do is click add app. Okay, now that I've added that app, I can go over to my navigation tab. I am going to want to reload or refresh my browser because it hasn't included this new option from the redirect tool quite yet, but you'll see that it's automatically populated there. So previously Virtual Office was not here in the course navigation, now it is. You may need to kind of drag the new custom link that you created up from the navigation tool. In some cases it will just automatically populate though, which is the case here. I'll just go ahead and click save just to make sure that I have that in my navigation. And then I can go ahead and take a look here at my local navigation bar, which is going to show the virtual office. If I click that link, you'll see a little redirect option come up quickly, and then you'll see that the virtual office page populates. So that's how you create a custom link, and in specific how you create a link to a virtual office using the redirect tool. There are a couple of things to keep in mind with this tool. So if you are someone who imports your course from one quarter to the other, the redirect tool will not automatically update. So what you'll find is that if you import your course from winter quarter into a spring quarter shell, the redirect tool or the custom link that you created will still link back to that previous course. It'll still have the course ID from your winter quarter. So in that case, what you need to do is go back to apps, click on the view app configurations, and scroll down to your custom link. These are alphabetized, so you'll see mine is here, Virtual Office, and it has the option to make some changes. So I'll go ahead and click that gear icon, click on edit. And then what you'll want to do is update the URL here. So after this URL equals, you would put in your new web address, whatever you would like to change it to, and then just click the submit button and that would update it. Okay, I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions, and thanks so much for watching.